Yep.
But if you just grab the map, everything will sort of be in that for
Yep.
you as
No
well.
worries.
No worries.
So can you tell me how to say where we are, please?
Pokolbin.
Pokolbin.
Yes, Pokolbin, that's it.
If you're looking for a stay right in the middle of the wine country of the Hunter Valley, we can't help but recommend the Pobolkin Village Accommodation. As you can see, there's a general store, chocolate shop, a place to buy wine, a cafe, restaurant. You can even hire e-bikes and get a bit of cheese if you're looking for that as well. Our room was a studio room for two, and it was a cosy little space with enough room for us to be able to relax and make ourselves at home. It had everything that we needed and a little bit more. What you doing?
The air conditioning
Microwave, fridge. There's a kettle, toaster, hairdryer, and plates and cutlery. Bathroom. Look at that rain shower head. The view from our veranda. It's not a massive complex, but it was quite nice. If you're looking at the Pobolkin Village where we're staying, it's great, and really you wouldn't have to leave here if you were just looking for a weekend to chill. There's a general store. Get chocolate, you can get wine, you can get cheese, get everything you need really. We took our trip to the Hunter at the beginning of winter, and as you can see, this was a weekend and it was still really quiet, and most of the time when we went up into the little shopping area there weren't a lot of people dropped by, but one afternoon the cheese shop was particularly busy. There's lots of open space and you are right next to the vines, and look at that view. It is such a pretty part of the country. We did make the most of the little cafe that on site a couple of times, once for breakfast, and in this particular occasion we picked up some coffees on our way out the door as we checked out, which was right, the reception was right next door. Our stay at the Pobolkin Village accommodations come to an end. What did you think?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Great location. It's nice central.
Nice and central, everything's at your front door. And yeah, we're about to go. If you like accommodation helpful videos, I know they're not the highest rating, but they can be helpful. Why not hit the subscribe button and tell us what aspect of this resort that you liked. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye. If you want to see more of what you can do without getting in your car, check out this video here.